In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the itch.io launcher step by step so you can get it installed quickly and start managing your games with ease. If this tutorial helps, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to itch.io/app. This is the official page for downloading the itch.io launcher, so make sure you're on the correct site before continuing. Once the page loads, look for the Start Download button and click it. Your browser will begin downloading the setup file to your computer. After the download is complete, open the downloaded setup file. On most computers, you can find it in your Downloads folder or by clicking the file from your browser's download bar. When the installer opens, you'll be asked to choose where you want to install the launcher. Click Browse if you want to pick a custom folder or keep the default location if that works for you. Select the install folder you want to use, then confirm your choice. After that, click Install Now to begin the installation process. The setup will copy the files and finish installing the itch.io launcher on your system. Once it's done, you can launch the app and start browsing or managing your itch.io games. And that's it. You've now downloaded and installed the itch.io launcher successfully. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.